Y'all, is this the cutest thing? I just gave him a little dog biscuit. And he sat there. He sat up so cute to eat it. Hey, darling. I love you. Yes, I do. There's another dog biscuit over here if you want it. Look here. Look here, love. Here's one more. There you go. Uh-oh, a fracas. Hey, sugar. Oh, my goodness. Well, they've got plenty of food out here. We're going to say goodnight. Sweet things. Hey, darling. Oh, my. Okay, I'm going to have to give you one more. There you go. Oh, he didn't want it. Hey, sugar. Do you want it? There you go. Oh, he said, yes, ma'am, Mimi, I do want that. It's good, Mimi. Thank you. Thank you for the dog biscuit. Good night, love.